Oh, wow. Nah, pregnancy no easy, guys. Pregnancy no easy. See, it's all these women where they carry the leg. If you see them, they hate them. Since I just carry this my own, only become they suffer and me go. I don't tell on at that time. Say I don't. Now, waiting my problem now. Say I don't get where I stay. I don't get house. I don't know what to do. Maybe I will go somewhere, go stay. This way give me the self. I know even they hear about the person self. She be on they insult me, say make I go find the person. Make I find the person. I don't see the person. I make I say make I tell on her. I don't see her. Guys, you will not believe what happened today. Do you know that my landlord chased me out of the house because I'm owing him just 1 month. Just 1 month. Look at my condition. No, look at it now. Eh? Does it worth it? I don't know why some people they don't get woman sympathy. This is my condition, and this man will chase me out of the house. Some people they hold 6 months, so they never pay. Some they hold 1 year, they never pay. Just 1 month. Now this man just chased me out of the house. But no problem. I know what to do. Joy! Baby. Joy! Is this you? It's me. Joy! It's a long story. Joy! After how many years? Oh my God! Joy, where have you been? Don't worry, I will explain to you. Are you staying around? Yes! Are you also staying around? I'm not staying around. That is what I'm saying now. My landlord chased me out of the house, so I don't have anywhere to stay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, why? What happened?
My dear, I don't know. I didn't do anything, just that I'm going here 1 month. But wait, why would my landlord chase me out even with this condition?
It's a cruel world, my dear. And you see, these days, these landlords, they're very wicked. Joy, okay, you know what? Where are you heading to? And
I don't have anywhere to go. I've been patrolling from one place to another. That is what I'm telling these my people. Eh? So, wait. You say you're not staying around, but you say you're staying around.
I stay around.
I want to come to you.
Don't worry, I'll ask you to come to my shop. I was about to direct you. My shop is, how do I describe it? Okay, you know the end of the street? Yes. That junction there. That's that place where you see bike parking there. Yes. Okay, once you get to that junction, you take your left. Once you take your left, the first junction by your right hand side, by your left.
That place they are selling all these food.
Yes, there's one shop there, a black shop. They're selling drinks there. Just come there. That's my shop.
Okay, is that your shop?
Yes. Just come there, okay? So because I'm in a hurry, I want to go and collect supplies from customers, okay? So please try and come so we can talk. I missed you. I don't even have your number whatsoever. But when you come, please, I'll be expecting you, okay? And please leave the song, okay? Joy. Wow. All right, take care there.
All right, bye. I'm going to see you.
Okay, all right, bye. Joy.
Don't worry, I will come. Okay. I'm going to explain.
All right, dear. Bye.
I feel like guys, I don't really reach that place right there. You remember that my friend who I met earlier today? I'm going to her shop. You understand? You know, say for the last video when I told her I said I'm not going here to stay. Say my landlord pursue me, you understand? So you know, say no easy for a pregnant woman. You are pregnant and you're just rolling in the street. So this lady say I should come. You understand? So I want to go and see her. You understand? So please show me. I think this is the shop she told me. And so follow me, let's go. What's up?
Joy, you're here. You came. Just like you said. You're welcome. Let me get you a seat. Sit down. You know you're here, baby. You can sit down, okay? Sit down, please.
This shop is looking good.
This is where I'm managing myself, my sister. And you can sit there too. That's my. How are you?
How are you, my sister? You don't see me now. You don't see your friend
I've
now.
seen you, Joy. When I saw you on the road, I was like, what's really going on? How are you? How have you been?
My dear, I'm fine, no. I'm fine the way you left me.
I didn't even know you're in this town. Seriously, I lost your number. I didn't really have a means of communicating with you. That's why I didn't reach you since. I'm so sorry.
No, no problem. What happened is that...
Before you continue, please, what would you like to say?
Okay, well, I'm hungry, oh. I'm hungry. Do you have lots?
Yes, I have.
Please, I want to know.
Oh, yeah, give her one more. Okay, so I'm listening to you.
Okay, immediately when the girl won't go bring the malt, now I can't tap am. Can't like say, beg, babe, when I get food. Now she can't say yes. Say get where then they sell food around. Now you can't send in girl, you understand?
You don't say, you don't see me now. You don't see me in the shop. You don't see me finish. So it be.
Where is your husband? Who is responsible? How are you doing? How come you are going through all of this? This is my child. This is my second child.
Oh, really?
Yes. The other one has gone to school. So what happened? Why are you like this, Joy? Talk to me. I'm your friend. Don't forget, I used to be your best friend. I don't know about now.
I know this is my best friend, but what happened is that I will tell you this. Because there is camera here watching us. You understand? So I will tell you this. What happened is that
Okay, my people, now so I can't they tell her the story, how the matter can take day, how the belly can take enter. You understand? Though she know they happy, oh, but finally she get no option now. She's supposed to help her friend now. You understand? So now so the thing can't take happen. She still the surprise. You understand? So now this lady now my best friend though, now one of my best before, you understand? Before we can't lose contact. So when she dey try to force me make her talk, I tell her say, well, camera dey for my front. Say camera dey for my front. Now she can't understand.
So guys, this is my friend. So I'm going to give you guys updates later. You already see, so I don't come meet her. So baby.
Okay, after I don't go to this my girlfriend house, now I can explain to her. I can tell her and say, baby girl, please, can you help me for accommodation? Say I get accommodation problem. My landlord chased me out of the house, out of my house, just because of Sadie who I'm 1 month. So I'm going to ask her whether she gets some vacancy in her apartment. She said yes. Say why she dey fear that because of her husband. Say her husband and the children and she, now they manage that place. You understand? So say she for like to help me, or but waiting there we say, you know if you help me how the thing go take, but you go first let your husband know. I got tell and say, well, what happen be say you be my friend right from time. That's why say we lost contact. Now I don't see you back. So I'm happy to see you though. So please, you must find something. You must make sure you help me. I don't come be say I don't come.
Go to that woman outside there.
Get me.
The way you used to buy food for me, that rice and meat. Just tell that woman. See that shop I used to buy for. Let me go there. Let me tell her to give me food. Tell her to put enough meat inside. Be fast though.
What is it?
Yes.
Come add beans, so.
Okay, add beans for her, please. Thank you. She's my girl, I'm taking care of her so that she will not hurt me or hurt my children. You understand? And she's a very good girl. She's been good to me. So back to our discussion, Joy.
Okay, guys, what happen be say I will give you guys updates. You understand how she take keep me for house? Okay, I'll give an update. Please, if you never subscribe, please make you subscribe and follow up. Let's go on there.
Guys, you see that my friend, she finally put me in her house. So now I want to go to her shop. She's a very nice girl. Oh. You don't reach how many days now. Since how many days were they her side? She's a very nice girl. Maybe because of social media something. I know come to say she's a very nice person. She nice though, you understand? So I won't go her shop now. I'll go see what will happen there. Man, whether I go feel help her sit down for her shop small because she tell me say she won't go market, she won't go buy market, you understand where she will sell. Okay, let's go. Right, let's go.
So do you know that as I come decide, say I go see my friend, go sit down for her shop, make her feel help her do one or two things so that she will go market, come back. Guess what? Finally now I can go see one of my old friend, one of my old childhood friend, where they call Nick. Okay, now I bring the video come to you.
Nick,
Joy,
what are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you what you're doing here.
You know him.
I know him now.
Nick, you know Joy.
I'm not Joy, I'm not Joy now. Joy, what do you do for here?
I go ask that guy question.
My friend though, he lives around here. He always come follow me play for sure.
One dance will never end. You see this here? This girl was actually my first love back in the days.
Hey, small world.
I had to tell you now.
Which days?
Back in the days that this.
You knew Nick before me.
Now this guy now tell you will disappoint me.
This
guy now tell you even.
So this your bad character, I don't do am since. Now wow.
I'm not supposed to be in this condition. Like this guy, because of this guy.
How you call Bele condition? It is a good thing.
I beg. I don't even. Mama, please, no verse. You say you want to go to the market. Yes. When are you going?
I'm going shortly. Sit down now.
Nah, I don't want to use eye see this guy.
You don't see him already
see
now.
This guy now my ex-boyfriend though. Just please disappoint me.
Calm down.
After when I don't love and finish, she can't disappoint me. See him here.
Calm down. You had this your camera, guys.
You carry camera up and down now. Why they involve me to your social life?
Because
this your camera. Wait till they try one actually. I don't understand.
Because men are wicked, so I need to show you.
Men are wicked, women are wicked. Everywhere you go, men are wicked, and women are wicked.
Joy.
Women are heartless. You say I disappoint you, that you not disappoint me too.
I not disappoint you.
We disappoint ourselves.
I not disappoint you. You leave me to another girl. You know
you said not be another man you deal with. I'm happy that you are married. Now you are pregnant for someone else. It's a good thing. Why you got to the verse for me for old doings now?
Now you sabi now, but now you sabi whether I'm married or not married. Now you sabi down there.
Where your husband?
I mean, no, they ask me that question. Why they ask me?
You don't do okay, fine. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for the past, you understand? I'm sorry for everything that happened in the past. Alright, please find a space in your heart to forgive me, okay?
Now drama they happen for my shop today.
Wait, please.
Now they ask film, no be small film now they ask.
Mama, wait, I don't want to see this guy, I beg.
You don't see him already.
You see this guy?
You don't pursue my customer.
This guy wicked.
No verse.
I don't even know why I even come see and yes. Wait, how you take me on?
You live around here now. Now here they always come drink now. Go sit down here, go drink. You go buy me drink. We go just this. Now my friend.
Why we made a get issue with forgiveness? Yeah?
No, na person.
See now I'm still single because of say you leave me that time. You understand? Even the girl who have leave you run follow. The girl later still leave me follow another person.
You never ready.
You can't be like follow doings.
You never ready.
You don't understand? I'm sorry, okay? How have you been? See, I don't want to try now. You understand? Don't be the nick of that year with this one now. You understand?
You try convince her. I know she said she didn't get pregnant.
Huh? I don't even understand. Yeah, the cost of. But normally, try find a space in your heart to forgive me. You understand? If there is any way I can make amends, I'll make amends. Alright? I'm sorry. How have you been?
Okay, when I come feel say he don't dey sorry for waiting do. I no can't get any option to talk any other thing again. You understand? I can't tell my girlfriend, say, see this guy really deal with me. So, but him can't feel sorry. Can't say make I come, make him put me for house.
Sit down, man. You drink something.
Give her a chair. Give her. Come on, one chair.
You understand?
Sit down. I know not talk. I don't know each other. I don't be like someone be strangers. Sit down.
But not just no person like Joe this way.
You're my friend, though.
Allah.
You're my friend. We just can't lose contact. Like my best friend.
The best friend.
We now lost contact. I saw her a while ago on the road one day, and like, it is a long story. She will explain better to me, anyways.
But Joe, what's up now? Why are you looking so uncared? What's happening?
Well, Nick, it's a long story. What happened is that I've been to this my friend's house. You understand? As she told you, she helped me, and ever since then she has been feeding me because person that will get it, person will get this belly abandon me. So what do you want me to do? Am I going to kill myself? Now my landlord also come pursue me. My head just be void. Just because
so they chop sugar cane, they walk up for road like this. And they carry camera, they follow yourself everywhere. This is Joy in a character.
Because I want to show everything to camera. Camera, beg, they show me, I beg.
How you take the package now? You know, since you get wife, you get husband and you get children in the house, inside how you take the package?
With Joy, I don't get choice. Ask her. It no dey convenient like that. What I go do? I just gotta say, make she follow us instead for the meantime. She go to get somewhere she go stay. You know, like this, I pray for Joy. May everything just do okay for her. Seriously.
So you know it's I don't really get much to say, you know. Assuming I did, I can go here and stuff. It's okay, I arrange one crib for you, me, your difference, you understand, and everything backwards. But
just anything you feel up and do, I beg. Just think about what you feel up and do. Maybe help Joy, I beg.
You know what's in? I did for 2 bedroom house, you understand? And I'll be staying with me. How about you go stay with me first? At least maybe relieve the stress when you put on my friend with you.
Nick, we can stay with you. You won't give me belly on top of this belly.
I'll not be that kind of person again now. I don't change now.
You get time for mine before to accommodate too much for us. So you just
normal. I don't feel saying like this. Just live one now. Even though we break up that year, we not do. Now get one love. So I don't feel saying for this kind of condition you're born now. So now for her to make up my way, man, you know how to stay alone.
Well, no, you don't see man, we won't put it for us. Maybe you go park your load for my house, maybe you go school and stay.
Not this I want marry her more, not anything.
Anyway, we wanna be adults now.
I know expect I will see Nick. I beg guy cut that camera. I know expect I will see you. You understand? This why you want to keep me for you want to keep me belly on top of belly. I don't understand. How you advise me? Maybe I can't go stay with man.
I don't understand.
If I stay with this guy, I'm gonna get belly. I'm gonna get belly every day by day. I know this guy.
You know what this guy did? This guy life be like this. Yeah? He poor and he can't get pride. You don't get anything now. Say man help you based on olden days. Now you see the carry call present day. Now if I want help you now,
condition, just take a
which condition? If you ready, cause now help I want do. No be say get any interest in
you.
You
I wait for since I won't go market. Sit down. See, I go help me sit down for my shop, so make I still go market go buy something.
Won't go now.
Okay, so what you talk now? I want come on.
We are going to discuss. I beg you.
Mad go. Mad go.
Push my customer. Nick never pay money.
I'll pay you later.
Collect your money from him.
I'll pay you later. Which I'll be collect money.
Nick.
See, I know they go. Collect your money.
Don't worry, now my customer. Nick, I'll wait for you.
So you know him. No, him now. See, wait. That guy who I tell you that time, what I don't say he won't marry me. At the end, I don't know the kind of the game we just deceive and this guy just leave me. If I can't go carry this here,
now we break your heart.
We
break your heart when you say they cry. Sorry.
Men are wicked. They are wicked.
Just like amazing. I swear everywhere they.
Guys, you see that guy? That's Nick. Now one of my best friend before. You understand? If I can't go carry this belly, but wait till happen to see. I did surprised when I see him for my friend's shop. You understand? So what on I want me to do now? I won't go inside. He said, "Man, come now." You understand? But I will wear trousers. They sleep every night. If not that, I will wear trousers. So my question is that if you know you want me to go there, please drop it at the comment section. I want to man go stay with her so that she will feel so that he will feel render me help. So that he will feel render me help. You understand? Because you say this is my girlfriend. It's not easy for them at all. In there with your husband, the children. It may not be as if I will snatch your husband for a moment. You understand? So please, I want you to see that guy. If not for me to stay there, I don't have a choice. I'll stay there and I mean help me. You understand? Okay. Now go get ready. See you. Hello guys, what's up? Today finally I have already made up my mind to go and stay with Nick. That's my ex guy. See my bag. I won't carry my bag. I won't go stay with him. I beg, not gonna wish me well. You understand? So me and my friend, that my friend really accommodating. You understand? So me and Cash, one guy is called to. You understand? Finally, I'm going to that guy's house.
Guys,
So I pray that, baby, wait. I pray that I stay well with him.
hey guys, as you can see, I'm seeing her off to Nick's place. I'm kind of worried about her, but I know she'll be fine.
Fine.
Since she decided to record everything, I don't know why, but she has a reason. So, Joy, please, no, they do shish for Nick house. I don't want trouble. Please, try and stay safe. And you know your condition. Just try and manage yourself. I wish you well. I just pray that luck shines on you and you smile again. Take care of yourself. We'll be talking. Thank God he's around the area now. You'll be coming to the shop.
Yeah,
okay?
I'll be coming now.
Yeah, so we can see and talk more. Please take care of yourself. See, no go do anyhow. You know he's a man. No go put body for ground. I know you are pregnant.
Not for you. Why you want my put body for ground?
I just tell you.
No, wait. I want you to explain. How you want my put body for ground? Is it make I allow making the?
I know. Wait. Just hold on. Just calm down. I know what I'm saying. Just take it easy. Yeah.
And you will call him. Oh, Shebi he's your friend. You will call him. Let him take it easy.
I go see follow him talk. No worry yourself. So if we dey go now. See, this your lose them. I don't want to talk am before.
No.
Like guys, how do you people cope with this woman? Like every time she's tying wrapper. Lose the wrapper. Remove this thing on your head.
No, leave it. I beg.
Lose the wrapper so that at least you can feel good with it.
Leave it now.
Okay, you are wearing a trousers. Why are you tying wrapper on it again?
Okay.
Better remove it. Then this one. Your hair rough.
It's rough.
Oh yeah, wear it back. See, try and go and lose your hair and weave another hair.
No, see naked me. This is camera. I forgotten that this is live camera. Leave no now. Stop.
Try and back.
Guys, please, man, I know this. I beg.
You and your camera.
Hey. Cut.
Very soon, I know they follow you with this your camera. I don't understand.
No problem.
Everything camera. Oh yeah, I do want to be going. I want to go back to my shop.
Okay.
Alright, take care.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye. Be going. Call me when you get there. Okay? Use Nick's phone to call me.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Take care. Okay, guys. Before my friend will go far, I want to go see Nick. As I tell you guys. I see these girls with the kind of embarrassment means my friend give me now. Okay, now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Nick house fine. This place is fine. Nick! Guys, finally, and then for Nick house. You understand? You know, same time say make I come, but not today. So I want to surprise them. You understand? I want to surprise her. You know, even though say that today I didn't come, I want to surprise her. So guys, follow me. Let's go. We'll just see reaction. You understand? We'll see how you take reactions. You know, understand? Guys, come. I'm going to meet house. Let's go. This one I'm being domot. So let me know. If maybe in domot, maybe anybody will stay there, if you come out, it will direct me. You understand? So let's go. Nick!
Yeah, what is it?
It's me.
Joy.
How
far now?
I'm fine.
What a surprise. I just said you be saying you know cause they were me before.
Because you say you're going to take care of me, so what do you expect? I've come.
You have come. You have come. Thank you. You know say you can come before I do shakara for now.
See, Nick matters me. See that way you do me before, not to make again.
No worry. I'm a changed person. Now I go to church every day. I'm a church person. I've given my life to Christ.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. I cannot do anything bad to you, you understand? I can come inside, what you do for outside? Sorry, we not we not get light to you, understand? But I'll go on jail for you, no matter. Come inside. I will come. Joy. See, cameraman, move. You understand our position later, yeah?
Hello guys, what's up? How you guys doing? You know, say they like to carry you guys along. Finally, I don't land for Nick house. This place looks so beautiful. Could you imagine? Now I can't do that place this suffer. Eh? Ha. She wanna know say I don't tell on one story concerning this guy. Now what this guy and my ex guy you. Maybe what I was supposed to don't day become husband and wife. Now he leave me for one girl. You understand? But I still thank God say he don't come back. You understand? You gonna know how the belly take happen. I know being get the belly, but next time me say make I no worry. So now I know I'm making no say I keep camera one place. You understand? So me will do our thing. Make us set and well. Which place have you put this thing now? Making no. Okay. Here do okay. Let's go. Woo!
Joy. How far?
I did fine. Nothing, no.
It's already because they follow that.
Make I beg. You know, say what you do me before, I never still forget.
Why not they ever let yesterday go? You understand? Every time they bring back yesterday. Why not let it be like that? At least I don't beg you now, we don't talk, we all settle. If you never forgive me, why you come out? Say forgiveness make you come. Why you constantly bring yesterday matter and taxi?
Well, I don't want to talk too much.
Mama ask, after I hope so you like my place.
Nick, your house fine now. Your house fine, well, serious. You try yo.
What to do, and I help the manager for the
Now you can't do as if say you no even get money. That time if I just ask you for money, you go even collect my own join.
But that time not really day like now. You know, so that time we still a struggle, you understand? Before God actually, bless us all because they are this. So I would need to ask you, since you come house yesterday, you understand?
Okay.
How do you take God get the papa not the what is so?
Well, it's a long story.
And I will cut and short for 1 year.
I know how the thing take happen. You know, say that time where you leave me. So you get one guy I meet, na musician. So we can't do something. Though me and the guy will be best of friends before, you understand. So before you know it, I think say the guy will marry me, put me for house. So na so he be. I beg you, no vex. No be this kind of thing I want just dey explain now. My head full. Shebi say you get something you go give me. Shebi say you cook for me.
Don't worry, all those are not the issue. You understand? Just relax. I call.
Okay. When I know say I tell on I say, this place where I be, my body just dey cool. Don't worry. I don't come, I don't sit down with you, but I'm not going anywhere again. My followers, make una dey watch, make we see wetin dey happen.
You know, I never really know my belly before, so I don't really know how to take care of a pregnant woman. I'll see on me now. Next time, you don't say make the try. You understand? You believe they make the finish up normally. I don't know about with you, you know.
Okay.
How is it?
You try. I you am. This is sweet though.
Oh, I cook up before now we dey run.
Wow.
You understand?
I mean, your girlfriend come put am.
Which are
As I
the
come
girlfriend
out.
that they tell me one and you call your friend. Maybe this house will be. You see all that doing.
No, because I go market now. I don't know whether your girlfriend don't come cook the food, come out. Because this food where they see so it's sweet past the one where man they cook.
So for this like a man of cook. You get men when they cook past women normally, you don't know. I mean I'm one of them, you understand? But enjoy yourself, Jerry. I've been that before. Someone call one compound, I don't know if it's so not to see you. I'm busy inside.
Okay.
You understand? What are they fridge if you need water?
Okay. Thank you. Nick.
Enjoy.
Okay. Guys, I don't make am. Don't worry, I will give on the next update. See you later. Hey. Hello guys, what's up? Nick they cook food. I'm just perceiving some kind aroma. You understand? Nick the kitchen, in the cook. So I won't go. I could check wetin they cook. The game.
That is full of sadness. Every virgin is twisted. Some say unsent, some say unmarried. But I can. And that is God's business.
Hello there, what are you doing?
Why are you videoing me now?
Are you cooking?
Yeah, I'm trying to prepare dinner for us though. What do you do?
Yay! See wahala.
What's that?
Nah, today food no be small thing o. See Nick dey cook o. This guy don't mean he don't really mean me o.
How you the video now? Huh?
Guy, no wait, wetin dey do?
See, don't do that. Leave my shit. Leave there now.
Hey, the one.
Wait. Don't touch my phone. I want to press special delicacy. Don't touch my phone. I understand.
I understand. Wait.
So once I finish, you go taste down. You're not supposed to stay inside here.
Calm down now. Wetin dey worry you now? You wan change am for me? Wetin dey worry you?
I want to take care of pregnant woman. Man still be like, they try to form gentleman like that's what they worry me.
No verse.
I'm trying to be a nice guy here, alright? So you go inside, go to the living room, watch film, enjoy, take juice and all, you understand?
Please.
Once I'm done, I will serve your meal. If I don't finish, I will serve you. You come on for person, aye.
Wait. See, you know, I'm videoing this thing in form of live, so my followers they are following me. So I want to show them what. Can I open it?
No, now, not show them now. This is, see, I'm sorry, followers, you understand? I'm not going to allow this because I'm preparing something special for a special person. You understand? Not be public doings. A special person get up. So me not cheap. You understand? Yeah. So once Nick is done with the kitchen, definitely I can tell anybody to come and sit on now. Okay? Not my first meal. You understand? Maybe later on if I do some delicacy, I will get to see. You get? Okay, now, Mama, leave my kitchen already.
Okay.
Leave my kitchen.
If you say so.
Leave my kitchen, no man, focus. If I go put salt 2 times, I you first time.
I don't come on.
Yeah, better to work.
Cook well, oh.
Yeah.
No cook only salt, oh.
Yeah.
Hey. Finally. Nick don't automatically become a good person. So that's why this one just carry from me, understand? So see you guys on the next video.
Let's talk about the
Bye.
Hey, that fan now. What's up now? What's up with you now?
Nick, stop now.
Babe, leave the shoe. Give me. Give me the wipes now. Let me clean it myself. How many times have I told you? I don't want you to be stressing yourself.
I wake up early in the morning, so I find out that Nick have already cleaned everywhere.
So I now be checking it. I said, no, now wow, everywhere they clean. So wetin dey happen? Hey, you self with the watch am, look around, look the ties. You know everywhere can't dey clean. Now I can say wetin dey happen. Say no. Say why be say Nick just dey make sure say everywhere dey clean for me so that I will dey comfortable. Maybe this guy no change tomorrow for me. So I can't work, I can't call him. As I call him, you know, answer me. Now I can't go open the toilet, can't call him there, he no still answer me. But I know say him there around. Now I can't work, I go for kitchen. As I reach the kitchen, I can't knock. Now I can't answer.
Guys, Nick the kitchen. And I believe say he's trying to tidy everywhere. I can go with him. Make I help him, you understand? Because he's not the only man supposed to do everything in the house. The guy has been trying though, so let's go together. Hey, what? What's up?
Fine girl.
How far?
You don't recall.
I don't recall. What did they do? I don't try now. It's okay. Don't try. Don't try.
Hold on.
No.
No, now wait. For this house, I don't want to do it. Do you understand?
I don't become Oyibo. I be waiting.
No, Oyibo. I'm meant to take you. You get Pele now. I don't want you to stress that people. You hear me? I don't want you to stress yourself. I want you to stress the baby at all. Because I won't tell you all this why, even though now another man give me this belly, once you born this speaking could be my pikin. You understand? I will take full responsibility. I will take care of this child as if he or she is my child.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. I'm not joking. I'm joking. Before people get it.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay, alright?
Thank you.
Just go and relax yourself. Once I'm done, now that you remain, I don't clean every other place. Once I don't chew here, I'll prepare breakfast, then I'll call you. Okay?
Okay, but let me just help you.
No, I say no. Don't worry, today I don't want to do everything, right?
Are you
just
sure?
Go relax. You're not supposed to stress yourself. Yeah? Go and relax. Okay, I'm almost done now. In the next 5 minutes, I should be done, okay? Alright.
Well done, yeah?
Don't worry, I hear you.
God bless you for me.
God bless you too. Alright, go take it. Go relax. Should I bring juice for you?
Yes.
Apple or pineapple?
No, apple is okay.
Apple is okay. Alright, let me hurry up with this one. I'll bring juice for you now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, dear.
Guys, finally. This guy is so lovely. You understand? He has finally tell me what I want here. He don't tell me what I want here. You understand? You don't tell me, so I'm good to go. See you guys in the next video. You understand? I'm not going to do some certain things we women are supposed to do in the house. You understand? Okay, see you guys. Guys, I dey clean this palm. You understand? Nick won't wear and come out. So wetin happen there be say, you know, say since when I come inside this house, this guy no one allow me make her do anything. He has been doing everything. He will cook, he will clean house. You say like this husband dey I for don rush go marry things, so but I still thank God though. So let me clean his shoe. It's like he want to go out.
Yeah, what's up?
He's coming.
Let me call you back. Okay? Hey, that fan now. What's up now? What's up with you now?
Nick, stop now.
Babe, leave the shoe. Give me. Give me the wipes now. Let me clean it myself. How many times have I told you? I don't want you to be stressing yourself. Why you get belly? Why you dey bend the big pan for ground? Let me say at the house. Why you don't call me my call one? How many times did I tell you as a pregnant woman you're not supposed to bend? It's not right now. See, if anything happen to this baby, I don't think I'm likely with you. You hear me? I don't think I'm likely with you at all. What's in the soap now?
Nick, no verse. Why is it that I want to ask you this question?
Ask me.
You are beginning to make me too, because I don't understand. Why is it that you don't allow me to do anything in this house?
I'm beginning to make you what?
Scared now, because how is it that a woman like me, I cannot be able to do anything? You clean house, he will clean house, he will cook. I don't understand. Let me.
You report me to people. Let me how you get discussion. Which one he will do that. And that's why we say normally you can't get personal camera person in the house. We don't understand. You understand? Our relationship is supposed to be secret. Don't go to the break up and start everybody be secret.
You know me. You know me.
You know me now. I'm trying to date celebrity. So because of the celebrity, we will not forget it's private or house again.
Nick, no verse.
See, listen, and I'll tell you this for the last time. Don't stress yourself again in my house. I can do it. Now why me daily I be man? I do chest down. You understand? If not to cook, I'll chest down. If not to clean, I'll... Okay, the time when you never did, that person they do it for me. Don't really do it by myself. And that's the condition when you want to stretch yourself up. No, now. Check them now. Not possible now. Over my living body will I let that happen? Do you understand? Give me what see. No, see, don't worry. Now this is my party chain, mama. You understand? And normally we where we say we come from Oromiano. We are very caring.
Okay.
Mama, see, we where we say we come from Oromiano, we are very loving and caring people. You understand? Until you born, even after you born, there like 1 year, you're not supposed to.
No, 2 years. 2 years because
after you born, get ourselves common now. Yeah, that's double on my house.
House help we will get in a man we are going to bring in this house. We are not going to bring any woman house help. In case you don't know.
Don't bring who?
House help, okay. House help.
Come this house. You want my nipple.
Anything that house help
man,
will do, I can
do this house do for what? Mark on the outside with my man call it day up. You understand? Okay. See, listen. After you born I need to go Ghana or Togo, man go dog my house. You understand? Because now I can't turn to that time. You don't understand? So you go there as if you get family member, you call them, make them call you or Mumbo.
Okay.
This one they tell you not try and again for your life. Not stress yourself again for my house. Do you hear me?
Thank you so much.
Not so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, now. Which time they come back now?
Now I also come. I just want to see the boys. You understand?
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Where that in toothpick first? Just say get waiting for from your mouth. Okay. Yay! Belle no easy oh. If you get better boyfriend, grab am. Me, I don't grab my own. See you guys later. You know say before I do this, I talk say make I first know wetin go do. You no understand. But you don't talk about this my camera. Make you no go stop this guy recording. Okay now, guys, later.
You telling me? That's how much rubbish.
It's okay now.
What's okay? No, what's okay?
It's okay now.
What is okay? Tell me what is okay.
You don't already correct me inside. It's okay now.
Which have been correct?
Must be shouting.
Okay, everything I need to tell you normally.
Don't be annoyed.
Which have been okay now? You know that normally I mean they do these things. You understand? I know they look these things. What is cooking? What is cleaning the house? All those things are normal level where they say they do normally. But this one, no, not done now. Not down. I'm trying to tell you stuff. You understand? You don't have to. I'm a God. I'm God when you down.
I'm sorry.
I don't walk. I come back normally. You don't feel boil water. You still wait for me, man. Come back for work. Cook for you. It make any sense?
No, you used to help me now.
I used to. That was when I was in the house. I used to take care of you. That was when I was in the house. That was when I was doing nothing. I was in the house to take care of you because of your pregnancy. But now, I don't start something now. They go walk. You're not supposed to be. You're not supposed to boil rice.
I'm sorry.
Still there fridge now. Maybe that is there. Do not fit do it because they do it before.
I will do it now. I'll do it.
No, entitlement mentality. Now they worry you. Now you don't just feel entitled. Saying I'm not supposed to be runner.
It's okay now. Stop shouting now. Your neighbors will hear you.
I don't shout for you before.
No.
This one pay me now.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
I don't want to do it now. Not even.
Wait. Let me go.
The hungry man is an angry man. They're not telling you.
It's okay. Make it okay.
You're not supposed to tell me say it's okay now. Normally after the food you talk, you're supposed to take kitchen. You tell me it's okay.
You want to change? I don't understand.
What I want to change? It's okay. Now I want to enter my belly.
It's okay. Let me go and prepare food.
Now you know if you go prepare food.
It's okay.
No, try to chop.
It's okay. I'm coming. Let me go.
See you.
See me, oh, this guy just come back from work, just start to shout. I don't understand. Did I offend him? You guys, is it the reason why I say you guys should always follow me? He always help me, he do this, he do that. But now, he has changed, no problem. Let me go and start doing things as a woman. Please, wait.
No, wait. You report me to your followers, Abi. You report me to your followers. Okay, now me, I want to ask normally now followers. I know they follow us from the beginning of this program normally. I know they try. No, any man when they then I make come tell me say I know they try for the comment section. Right after for the comment section, they tell me say I know they try on the normal level. Then they tell me before normally if you give woman allow, they'll take allowance. Now what did this girl do now? I just say man treat her normally now. People say man be like gentleman. At the end of the day, she don't take advantage of the matter. She don't fit do a woman right for us. No man tell me for comment section. If I did wrong or wait at the top, men tell me. Say she wants start to the report of viewers. Which kind of rubbish be all this one now?
My people, see this nigga. This guy just want make me cry this morning. See I forget saying 10 minutes to make I remind them of meeting we get with one of his friend. You understand? Me no now I can't come here with
Nika,
come see what this guy
do. What do you want today now? What do you want this afternoon? This is your idea, right? What's your
What is today's date?
Today's date 12.
What day is today?
Why are you asking me now? Today is Monday now.
Is there anything in your head that told you I was supposed to do something today?
Hey! Nick! Yes. Hey, you said I should remind you that you have something together with your friends. Is that...
What? Why didn't you tell me?
Hey! Forget, please. Forget.
You did what?
Please now, forget now. Please.
What the hell? What's wrong with you? I told you I have a contract today. Did I tell you I want to do anything with my friends? I told you I have a contract today. What? Nothing less than 20-something million. I told you. The only thing I told you was to remind me today around 6 a.m. that I have something to do. And you failed.
I'm sorry.
No, what are you sorry about?
Because... Please, don't be annoyed.
For crying out loud, ever since you came into my life, it's been disappointment upon disappointment. It has been stagnation upon stagnation. What do you do in this house? Nothing. And the only thing I asked of is for you to remind me what I'm supposed to do today, and you failed. You failed.
I'm sorry, please.
Do you know how much I just lost? I've done everything for you. I picked you up from the gutters. I brought you to the house. I took care of you. I took care of your born child. I did everything all because of the love I have for you. Now I asked for one thing. One thing. You failed. You look at me in the eye, you're telling me sorry? What would sorry do for me? No, tell me, what is sorry you want to do for me in the normal now? What is sorry you want to do for me now? Huh? And at the end of the ordinary say you want to ask me whether I want chop. You dey carry camera and mark ask whether I want chop. But the normal level of the say one thing normally. I don't follow you. I don't follow you joke. I follow you talk like you walk over. If not want to know that someone don't bust the bubble normally. What do they do for this house normally? No, tell me. What if the reason why I carry you for this house normally? You are this idiot where they always be behind camera.
No verse now.
What have been no verse? Don't tell me no verse. And at the end of the day, you also go report to your fans saying majorly I do you anyhow. No fans for the normal level to this part I play, like, it makes sense. It makes sense. There is nothing she has done for me all along. The only thing I asked, remind me on this day that I have a contract to meet up with, and I never did shit. After everything I've done. After everything I've done. After everything I don't do for you. Today I don't lose your kind plenty million because of your carelessness.
I'm sorry.
No, they tell me sorry. They tell me sorry, they piss me off the most.
No, I'm sorry now. Since all this time.
See, ma tell you something. Ma tell you something.
Wait.
Ma tell you something. Not the tell me.
You just change. Why do you change now? You're not not like this before now.
Why did I change?
I don't know why. You just
Why change? Which
Which
I change? If they do anything they right, I'll change.
I'm sorry now.
And I tell you, remind me. Say you remind me. I'll dey shout for you like.
Well, forget now. Man, be nice.
What do you mean you forget? You know how many meters I don't lose? You tell me say you forget. I don't want to pay me now. What do they do when you forget?
No face.
Everywhere good. Everywhere good. But on the decision of you staying in this house, I need to have a rethink. I will tell you.
I'm sorry now. This one tire me. Guys. Hey! If this guy pursue me, where will I stay?
That is why to stay for somebody's house at times is tiring.
35 million gone just like that. I don't lose 35 million just like that. My 35 million is gone just like that.
Nick, please. I am sorry. It's not that I just do it on my own. I forget now. I forget saying I'm a pregnant woman now. I slip off now. Please, now I'm sorry. Ever since then, you've not eaten my food. Why are you doing like this now? I'll not be you again, Nick.
I just lost 35 million.
Oh, come on. You're going to make it again now.
Which I will make it again now. 35 million don't go like that. All because I come late. Now my nigga said that they come from, so I don't go follow their line. There's nothing they can do for me. That was what they said.
Hey. Then is that why you want to kill yourself? Eh? Is that why you want? Which day you can't start the smoke? Ha.
For your life, you don't see 10 million before.
I don't see.
You don't see.
I don't see.
You don't see 10 million before.
I don't see. Now because of that, now you won't kill yourself. You are smoking, you are drinking. What kind of thing is that? It's okay now. Calm down. So, let's go inside. Let's go inside. I've prepared a meal food. Let's go.
See, right now I want to be alone. Alright? I don't want to eat. I don't want anything that comes from you. Alright? You're pregnant. There's nothing I can do to you right now. So I need you to go back inside and leave me alone. Alright? You will be cameraman. And you will be fans where they watch these doings. I personally carry you come outside today, make you video. On my doings, make you see wait at the face for house. That girl will come out just now. She look like anybody when they remorse about the money what I don't lose. See, a whole lot of men are going through this every day of their lives. The only thing I wanted to do is to help her till she give birth, and if possible, I'll be able to take care of the child. Now this is what I'm getting back. I made it cook. I made it clean. I made it do everything for house. Everything. I made it run out for house. Just to remind me about a contract I had today. She failed and I lost the contract. Now look at how she's responding to me losing the contract. Everywhere good, peace day. Peace day. But if what she do me today, they right. All of the followers when they follow her, when they side down, men I say talk. What did you do me now? If not good thing, men I talk. If not bad thing, men I talk. Because normal, I dey wait to hear from you now. Peace dey.
I'm tired. You see the reason why I want to be on my own. And you guys see the reason why I employ this camera guy so that he will be helping me to video everything. That is why I wanted to be on my own. See, I don't change. Am I not a pregnant woman? Eh? Just only this little mistake what I do, just this little mistake because of say I sleep or say I forget to remind him that he have a date today with someone. Just that. Then they talk all these things with their mouth. Well, what did they be say? If he say ma come out, me I will come out. Yes, now if he say ma come out from his house, we'll go back to my girlfriend's house. Simple. I don't have much to say. I see you guys.